Hi everyone, I am back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce the lag of Minecraft on Minecraft Bedrock edition and of course on a PC. So guys, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification. Then you'd get all the notifications. So in this video I'm going to show you like a lot of reduction of lag, and of course it is not fake, and you will notice it when you apply my settings. So guys, let's jump into it. I'm choosing this world for creative. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it's raining here and it could create a lot of lag. So how to reduce this lag? As you can see, currently it is not lagging at all. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some TNT test. I mean, I will explode some TNTs, and of course guys, make sure you apply those settings which I apply on this video. I hope on your PC, I mean like on Windows 11 or Windows 10 operating system, you will get the settings of mine. I hope so, because I can't really say for sure because all the PCs are different from each other. So what you have to do is you need to go to first settings and then the video. You must click off the screen animations. It can like bring lag, and then FOV to something like that, not beyond like 100 degrees plus, and you can turn these settings on if you have like smooth gameplay. But if you have like a graphics card which can drive such options, then you must turn all this off, like all this. But like if your PC is like, you know, decent and it can handle pretty much editing programs, etc., then you do not need to worry about turning these settings off. And then you can choose to your UI profile to classic or pocket, anything you want. And they recommend render distance, like in my on my PC the recommended render distance is 40 chunks, and not 40 chunks, I think 42 chunks, and I have selected to like 18 chunks. It is smooth up to like you know, when I tested, like it is smooth up to like 30 chunks. It's pretty much smooth, but I don't need that much of a render distance. That is why I don't need it. So guys, after showing you these settings, I'm going to go to step 2 and see you there. Let's cut a bit here, and of course the second settings may be applicable for all of you guys. So let me just reduce the sound. That is too much. So okay guys, make sure you watch the full video and make sure you apply the second step, because I think the second step will work for everybody who has an Nvidia graphics card, or it will also work for those people who has settings near to Nvidia settings. Okay, so guys, let's jump into the second part. So guys, in this second step you are going to go to Nvidia control panel. If you have a graphics card of Nvidia, then you are going to select here, and after this you are going to do, like, you have to go to manage 3D settings, and then what you have to do is you have to select image scaling to turned off. You have to select the option to off, and then ambient occlusion to performance, or you can also turn it off completely, and then anisotropic filtering to application controlled, anti-aliasing FXAA to off, anti-aliasing gamma correction to on, anti-aliasing mode application controlled, you can see here, or also you can turn it off if you want, if it gives you boost in performance. And then transparency to 8x, or you can also turn it off, or you can select multi-sample, or 2x. You can also select 4x. It is not going to give you like a lot of hurt in performance, not a lot of damage in performance. And then background application max frame rate to turned off, as you can see here, and then CUDA GPUs all, DSR factors off, DSR smoothness is also going to be have the option of turning off. Then you can also turn it off, or it will turn off automatically if you select DSR factors off. Max frame rate of multi-frame sampled AA or MFAA has to be turned on, and GeForce RTX 2080 Ti is selected as the OpenGL rendering GPU, or you can select any powerful GPU you have. And then power management mode is selected as the prefer maximum performance. Shader cache size, as you can see here, shader cache size has to be selected on unlimited, and texture filtering and anisotropic sample option optimization, and you will select it turned off. And then negative load bias clamp, texture filtering quality has to be selected on quality, or also you can select on like performance if it gives you a lot of boost in performance. And then again, texture filtering to linear optimization has to be turned on, it gives you a lot of boost in performance. Threaded optimization auto, triple buffering on, vertical sync has to be selected on adaptive because it helped me a lot, so it will also help you a lot. And then virtual reality pre-rendered frames to 1, virtual reality variable rate super sampling, something like that, you have to select it turned to off.
So I mean you will select it completely on the option which is written like off, otherwise it is going to eat the power of your CPU and GPU. And then you are going to go to like configure surround physics. You can select the physics processor as the GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. I'm just showing you all the settings which I have selected or I want you to select. And also if you don't want like all these optimizations, then you can do a thing. You can go here, I mean that just image settings with preview, then select use the 3D advanced image settings to use my preference emphasis. There are 3 stages. You can select performance, balance or quality, that is your wish. The quality settings is going to like absorb a lot of power, so you don't want to select that. You will want balance or performance if you want shortcut. And then what you're going to do is here you can see the developer option. People say it increases the power of your GPU. I don't know, I have turned it on. So guys, what you are going to do it if you what are you going to do is, if you want to select the developer settings as turned on, then you want to go to like the desktop, click on enable desktop developer settings, and it will just get turned on. Then you will go here, manage GPU performance counters. As you can see, you will like select here allow access to the GPU performance counters to all users. And after applying all these settings, what you are going to do is go again to manage 3D settings, program settings, and it will be very much helpful if you select from like here. What you're going to do is you want to click the add, and all the applications you have on your PC you are going to select, and after selecting you will select here add selected program. And after you selected it, and here an option will appear like apply or cancel, then you will select apply. So you are going to select every single program you want like to run smoothly. It will help a lot. And then guys, I'm also going to show you another option. What you're going to do is go to settings, and then what you're going to do is you are going to go to like here display, and you are going to go to use HDR, and then you are going to, if you have a HDR, then select turned on, select it to on, and then play streaming HD video, you will turn it on. Auto HDR, you will turn it on, and then go to video playback and turn these settings also on. Process video automatically to enhance it. It will require a lot of less video processing power rather than other settings on your PC. So guys, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to control panel, and after going to control panel, what you're going to do, you're going to the power options, and then you have to turn on the ultimate performance. I will give the code to give the command code to turn on the ultimate performance on the description of my video. I mean the description tab. You will copy it and paste it on your CMD. You of course you will select the CMD as an administrator, then it will work. So guys, after all these settings, I hope you will get your boost in performance. And then what you will do is you can do another settings as well. If you have the option called gaming, then you will go here and go to game mode. Game mode has to be turned on. If you turn it on, it will help your PC a lot. And go to graphics, you can also select like single, I mean every single application which are available on your PC. You can select those and select their performance on high performance if you like, or lower, or like this power saving. You can customize it as per you wish. So you can pretty much customize anything here. And if you see some other like something like which gives performance boost, then you can type those things in the comment section and post it. I will also see those things and I will reply. I will test them. I will make a video on those as well. So guys, I hope you like this second step. I hope this second step helped you a lot, and make sure you also try to apply the first step as well, because both of them are great. Both of these are great. So guys, I am ending this video here. I am going to see you in the next video. So guys, it is for now, and I'm keeping it right here. So guys, bye, see you later.